At Maaco, we offer 3 paint packages tailored to your specific needs and budget concerns: Basic, Preferred, and Premium. Do you know what makes each of these 3 services unique? It all comes down to 2 factors: durability of the paint, which includes warranty, and the appearance of the paint, which includes gloss, color match, and metallic appearance. Let's start with our Basic service. We apply a single coat of enamel paint to refresh your vehicle's appearance. Our Basic service offers a 1-year warranty and gives your car an attractive gloss and accurate color match. Looking for greater durability but need to stay at an affordable price? Our Preferred service is your best bet and comes with a 3-year warranty. This single-stage application uses urethane, which resists chipping and is much more resilient than enamel finishes. When it comes to the best look and performance, there's no topping our 2-stage Premium service. Complete with a 5-year warranty, this service offers the highest level of durability, best possible glossy finish, and superb color match that you'll want to show off for years. When it's all laid out in front of you, suddenly the decision becomes much clearer on which paint service is right for your vehicle.
Maaco, America's Body Shop.